Good morning, everyone, or good afternoon, good evening, or good night. Wherever you may be watching from, welcome to another meditation session with me, allowing me the honor to guide you through a peaceful time in your life. And as times are pretty chaotic right now, it's very important that you give yourself this present of meditation, because giving yourself meditation is a present. So I want you to come into a comfortable seated position and let's start our 10-minute meditation. Find whatever feels comfortable for you, wherever you feel comfortable sitting. That your clothes is also comfortable so that you could sit and be not disturbed by your clothes or by how you're sitting. So, and again, anywhere you want to sit, on a chair, on a cushion, a sofa, your bed, it doesn't matter. What matters is that you sit and you can sit still for 10 minutes. And again, you sit for as long as you can. This is intended for 10 minutes, but if you can only do 1 minute because you're just starting out, or 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever the amount of time that your body allows you to sit still without movement, then that's what you use. That's what you appreciate, and that's what you're grateful for. And you thank your body for letting you sit that amount of time. So let's close the eyes. Let's find that inner self. Let's connect to the inner self, to the inner energy. And let's look at the space in between the eyebrows. Find that darkness that's there. And sometimes, depending on where you are, if you're in the morning and the sun is bright, and as you're looking towards that space behind your forehead, in between your eyebrows, it won't be so dark because the sun is like almost radiating through your skull and through your skin. But wherever you are, just find that comfortable seat. Notice your body. Notice how your body feels. Notice the sensation. And then let's start paying attention to the breath. Inhaling through the nose as deep as you can, trying to get the breath to reach the belly. Holding it there for a second. And then exhaling through the nose, letting it all out, releasing and letting go of things we don't need. Again, inhale. Take it deep, feel your lungs expanding. Hold the breath for a second. And then exhale. Let go of those things that you no longer need. Inhale. Feel the breath. See if you can feel the breath as it enters through the nostrils, as it fills down your lungs into your belly. And hold it and then release. Let go of those things that are no longer needed. Notice how the breath exits. Inhale again. Take it as deep as you can. Hold it. And release. Let go of those things that no longer serve you. No matter what it is, it could be a bad habit, it could be a person, or it could be people, it could be a job, it could be anything that doesn't serve you anymore. Something that is not good for you, that is no longer needed. Maybe it wasn't ever needed, but right now you're working on letting it go. You're working the process. Keep the breath flowing. Continue to inhale and exhale. Notice the inhalations. Notice the exhalations. And continue to practice that breath. The breath is the life force. So let the breath that comes into your body bring positive energy, healing energy. And the breath that exits your body take away those things that no longer are good for you. Let the negativity flow out. Keep the breath alive. Keep breathing. Even when you don't hear my voice, make sure that you're taking those deep breaths in and those deep breaths out. And remember that the reason why we do this is because we want to raise our vibration. We want to release stress, anxiety, or anything that is not good for us. And we would just want to find stillness. This is a journey to a stillness. So think of that breath as it comes into your body as a power source of light entering your body and bringing healing power. And as it exits, it just takes away all the negativity, and you just feel the calmness, the tranquility, the peace, and the stillness. And it's just a practice that we do every day, and it gets better with time. Not only does the practice becomes easier for us, but we also become better in our own personal lives. We start to connect further with ourselves. We start to have more control of our feelings, emotions. Our awareness heightens, making us more aware of the things we don't need and situations that we don't need to be in. We get out of those situations. Feel the body. Notice the sensations in the body. Notice the breath. And now I want you to start paying attention to the breath. See if you can feel or hear your environment. What's the temperature in the place where you are? Do you feel that? If it's evening, if it's morning, do you see the sun? Do you feel the sunlight? Do you hear any sounds coming from where you are, around you, or outside, if you're indoors? Notice the sounds and slowly start to come back to that room in which you're sitting. and slowly start to open your eyes, little by little, allowing the light to enter the body. There's no rush. And notice the world outside of you. You just came back from your inner world back to the outer world. So again, I thank you for joining me on this journey today. And thank you for being a part of it. Thank your body for letting you participate. And if you have any comments, leave them below. And also hit the like button so that the algorithm starts to share this with other people. And they also can have this time, this present to themselves, because we want to share this, especially in these times. People need to have a little bit of peace. So to everyone in the world, I send good thoughts, positive words, and love from my heart to everyone in the world. May all beings everywhere be happy and free. And may my actions contribute in some way to that happiness and freedom. Thank you. And may your day be pleasant and blessed. Take care and see you soon. And share this video.